Hi ghoulies, I'm Juan here at Up to the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already, it's free. Y'all, today I have a wonderful pin unboxing video for you, which just in time for spooky season are these Hocus Pocus mystery pins. So I have a whole box here, a whole case. I was able to pick this up from Modern Pinup. I just could not believe that you can buy a whole case of pins. So these are the tarot cards, and as you can see here, we have Sarah, Mary, Winifred, Danny, Max, and the chase is Binks. So in one case, there are a total of 12 pins. But before we do that, I have the Ellie 1100 Loungefly pin that goes to this set. And you can see that it's Binks surrounded by the tarot cards. The box artwork is always so beautiful. I just love this whole pastel witchy vibe, which is just perfect. Like I said before, if I can't get the Loungefly right away, because I'm obsessed with the Loungefly, it is so cute. Instead, I can settle for the pin to tie me over until I have space or funds for the new Loungefly. And most likely, because it is a catalog bag, it'll be available for a while, so I can hold off just for now. And this is such a gorgeous pin. I love the size of it. I like that there's texture inside Binks's ears for some reason, and his eyes are so pretty. And like there we have the tarot cards, and at the bottom here you see some leaf detail, which is really nice. Here's what the back looks like. It has that sticky stuff because it's supposed to be a heavy pin. But do you see what's happening here? The slider element is that Binks pops up. I mean, it is a three-pronged post. So here he is hiding. Him popped up is sliding element in its full effect, which is an interesting choice. I'm not mad at it. I think, you know, it's only so much you can do with these pins. I do love that it's a pin-on-pin element because of that peekaboo effect. Well, once you slide up, you can see that it says it's Ellie 1100. Also, quick shout out to the fit. This is a Max shirt from Our Universe. Isn't that amazing? And then I can show you on the back, and it's phenomenal. Shout out to Our Universe for coming up with some really great wearables for fans. Hashtag not sponsored, but I did get this at Hot Topic. So I'll link it down below to see if it's still available for y'all to check out. And oh my gosh, I blame Tokidoki for this. Because I'm just so used to getting cases now. And for these, I really wanted to complete this set. So if I get any dupes, well, you'll know what that means. Let's see if we can even complete the set first. Do you think we'll do it? So instead of going in a row, I'm just gonna be hopping around. So let's go for the center one right here. Okay, box number one. The first one never disappoints because it's the newest one to your collection. Okay. First one we have. Hey, we have my boy Max Dennison. Look at him. So these are screen printed on, and he's holding a little bucket there. That's his name, Max Dennison. Really nice. Even though it's in the tarot style, they're not actually assigned a tarot character like the Hangman. It's so funny because he looks so dejected. And I like that they carried the artwork on from last year. So like they continued on with the style, and I really enjoyed it. And it's like that Loungefly with them going to the Sanderson's house, it's essentially the same. But these are very nice sized pins. Here's what the back looks like. Love these. Let's go ahead and go for this one right here in the front. Box number two. Okay, who do we have? Face view. Oh, we have Mary! Mary Sanderson. Love this. I love that she's there with the vacuum. But up close, you can see that the screen printing is just okay. I would prefer it to be a little cleaner. Okay, they're starting to fall, so we're just gonna grab one from the back now. Box number three. Can't believe I bought a whole case. Someone take my wallet away. Third one, and we have, oh, let's face it, you. Yay, we have Winifred with the Cauldron. Winifred Sanderson. I love the artwork. They make them look very cutesy, but elegant at the same time. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but they look so nice. I mean, this is what the Sanderson sisters were aiming for with those potions. Super cute, super pretty. And I just love seeing her at that cauldron. Let's go with this one here. This is box number 4. Number 4. Facing y'all. Yes. Ba 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 ba. Boo. My first dupe, and it is Winifred. Which is bound to happen. We have a whole case here. Go for this one right here. This is box number 5. Okay. It's facing y'all. Ba 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 ba. Boo. Okay, and we have our second Max. Okay, box number 6. This kind of just fell, so I don't know where it was in order, but let's go ahead and see what it is. We still need Danny, we still need Sarah, and we still need Binks. Ba 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 ba. Boo. Another Mary. Okay, 2 rows, virtually the same pins. Okay, we have 6 left. Let's go here, center back. Sarah, Danny, Binks. Box number 6. No, sorry, box number 7. Yay! Finally! We have Danny Dennison. She's so cute. Like, la-di-da-di-da, not a care in the world. She's having a great time trick-or-treating. And yes, Max is the one that is a little fuddy-duddy about it because he's just so bummed out. So great. Okay, let's go with the far back one. Come on, Sarah. I don't know about the Bings, but I know we can get Sarah. Box number 8. Shoot, it was facing me, sorry. Yes, we have Sarah. Look at her on that mop. And oh my gosh, this little vixen. Come little children. She looks so great. Again, I'm loving the in-house artwork on these. So good. Okay, so we have 4 left. So 1 out of 4 chance of getting this chase. My gosh. Let's see here. Let's just go for this one. I've already completed all the comments that you can get in this line, so that's a win. So now we're just trying to get that chase. This is box number 9, and we have... Yay! We have the chase. Look at the baby. Oh my gosh. Yes! So good. Excellent. Love this. Look at him. Oh. He's so cute. Okay, so the others are screen printed, but Binks himself is like full on enamel. So this part is screen printed, but he is enamel. So I love that. I kind of wish they did that for all of them, but I guess this is what makes it the chase. That he actually looks like a decent pin. I'm just kidding. I like the screen printing, but I'm having some issues with some of the finite details. But aside from that, yes, this is amazing. So I have 3 unopened boxes, and I'm just gonna leave it that way, guys. This has been a win. I got the whole set, which was phenomenal. So what I end up gonna do is that I'm gonna include these up for trade. These are gonna be unopened, brand new boxes up for trade for you to go ahead and try to see if you can add any of these to your collection. Okay, let's see what they all look like on the board. Oh my gosh, this is exactly how I envisioned it in my head. This is the perfect start to my Halloween pin collection, and they are just divine. Absolutely gorgeous. This looks amazing. So we do have these 3 here for trade that are opened, and these 3 unopened boxes for trade as well. So you can see there's probably going to be a Sarah and a Danny and probably another duplicate of some sort, as well as one of these. Please go and hit me up on Instagram, and we can go ahead and connect, and we can start the trade, because man, Halloween season is in effect, and we definitely want to start adding beautiful spooky pins to our boards. And also, quick reminder, I do have these pins up for trade. So if you see anything that you'd like, please go ahead and contact me as well on Instagram so we can go ahead and work something out. I am just obsessed with these, and I'm so happy that I went and made the investment that I did. Comment down below which pin was your favorite. Have you already started opening this box? Are you twins on any of these? Let me know. A huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe. and share this video out with someone you think that might like it. Also be sure that that notification bell is set to all so you're notified for future videos like this one. And with that, be safe, tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!